Hey guys, Fisto here, and today we're gonna find out what's inside the fridge. Yeah. Today we're gonna find out what's inside the fridge when it's closed. And morning, you're not gonna see anything, but there's some chances that I will turn off and see some colors like blue. I recorded last time that was actually take 2, but if you notice that, I cannot see that, guys. That's just the camera. Yeah, that's just the camera. So anyway, for Minecraft Yes Kind Knows video, it was completely gone. But anyway, so let's find out my version. Okay, take 2. God damn it. So that's what's inside the fridge though. If you see some colors, that is just the camera. So thanks for watching, I will see you next time, because I took Minecraft Kind Knows idea, because the video title you see right now is the same thing. I'm looking weird today.